In this video, I'll show you how to create a Convertkit email sequence. Start by signing into your Convertkit account. From the dashboard, click Send, then select Sequences. Next, click New Sequence to create a new email automation sequence. After that, give your sequence a name so you can easily identify it later, such as a welcome sequence or product onboarding sequence. Now click Add Email to create your first email in the sequence. Next, write your email content. Add a subject line, then compose your message using Convertkit's email editor. You can personalize your email using subscriber tags like name or custom fields. After that, set the delay for when this email should be sent, such as immediately after sign-up or a few days later. Now continue adding more emails to your sequence by clicking Add Email again and repeating the process for each step in your automation. Next, review your sequence timing and ensure the emails are spaced correctly based on your strategy. After that, connect your sequence to a form or automation rule so subscribers are automatically added when they sign up. Finally, activate your sequence by turning it on, then test it by subscribing with a sample email address to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Convertkit email sequence. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.